Hello, welcome to Traditional Medicine channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video we are going to see the steps to be followed for a healthy long life. You need to stay active every day even if you retire. You want to move and keep your mind busy. Part of that is to do a daily formal exercise routine to keep those muscles toned, which prevents falls in the future. Eat a Mediterranean-type diet or follow the Okinawan diet. These diets contain less meat or no meat as in the Seventh-day Adventist diet, but lots of vegetables and fiber. This keeps your cholesterol down, your arteries open and your metabolism controlled, preventing diabetes. If you are not obese and you have no diabetes, you're going to be okay with your cardiovascular system for decades to come. Brush your teeth and floss every day. This will control the bacteria in your mouth and prevent leakage of them into your blood, affecting your heart valves. Studies have shown that this prevents heart attacks. See your physician right away if there is a new skin lesion or anything that is different from before in your body. Removal of early cancer and treatment of any early medical condition is always easier to treat than waiting until it is out of control, particularly with cancer treatment at an early stage, which usually involves only a small surgical procedure. This will reward you with a ripe old age. Watch excesses like smoking, cut it out, alcohol intake and recreational drugs. Smoking causes heart attacks, strokes and cancers, which shortens your life. Recreational drugs just interfere with your body chemistry and have side effects. Cut them out if you cherish growing older than 100. Alcohol needs to be kept at a very low consumption. If you want to preserve your liver, which is your central metabolic organ, if you cannot handle moderation with alcohol consumption, cut it out. Nobody ever died of not consuming alcohol. I did mention to avoid obesity, which is associated with metabolic syndrome and diabetes. Your ideal body mass index should be in the 21 to 22 range. I thought I'd repeat that thought here again. You achieve this by the diets I mentioned above. It involves cutting out sugar and starchy foods, getting sleep regularly, having an optimistic outlook on life and having good relationships helps to keep the immune system strong and keeps your hormones balanced. This in turn will keep you healthy emotionally and physically. All the content published on this channel is our own creative work and is protected under copyright law, and in case you need to use our content for any purpose, please write to us. godsonsams@2denota.com. Thank you for watching Traditional Medicine. Share, like and subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments below and share with your friends. Thanks for your support.